Hi, my name is Paul Turner at Caplan Appliances. Today I'm going to talk to you about this Bosch 800 series fully integrated panel-ready dishwasher. This dishwasher is designed to take a full custom panel to match your kitchen cabinetry. When installed properly, it'll be a flush fit design giving a full integrated look. This dishwasher is 42 decibels. Because it is so quiet, it has an info light which beams a red light to the floor to indicate that the dishwasher is still running, taking the guesswork out of it. Inside the dishwasher there is 3 racks with your main rack and cutlery basket in the bottom, a second level adjustable rack, and a third cutlery utensil rack giving you maximum loading capability. This dishwasher also contains a water softening system to remove lime deposits in the water that would normally spot your dishes. It also has a leakage protection system that if this dishwasher leaks, the water is contained in a plastic tray under the dishwasher, then pumped out, and the intake is shut off so you do not have a flood in your kitchen. Thanks for watching. Please come visit us at Caplan, so I'd love to show you more features of this Bosch 800 series dishwasher and other great Bosch products.